Therefore,
Umukul sangma ulakran halo ka jingja ka badang suggestion hakamat ka skatriat baulaken tu ya kibo badai khimi bakinwat Bniah na dong shadong ha ka bedai bat u mibanshem snaitang uba snaitang ula syakyam makatayo baladap haringkat bat khat arngut ki weipat na ka benta ka Nongpyrthuh buat jongki ki Pulit ki layo kurup ru ya ki suloi ergon naki u Nongïalam ka Liang Pyrshah mantagasngi ula banjur halo ka jing donkam bantokit halo ka jingidai hapadeng kini ki brieu ki bala syakyam bat kitu ki badon ha kabor daga memaham ru ha juk kopor bayakum kini ki jingja omdei ban ailat bakin suthiat hapo jela Meghalaya.
I think it's alarming that it shouldn't become a trend. We must nip it in the bud. So authorities must invariably put the people under scanner and look at the circumstances and the background as well. No, security at which point of time? You see, security bandobast is always done, always scaled up based on the situation, based on the inputs. So that's the job of the police. Now, I'm sure they must be having all kinds of inputs to see. It is expected to have all kinds of inputs as and when necessary so that they will be able to ramp up their security bandobast.
Kidekot jong ka seng samla lau mali pelun